start करें. Today we are going to talk about traveling with your furry best friend. Whether you are going on a road trip or flying to a new destination, traveling with a dog can be a fun and rewarding experience. But it also requires careful planning and preparation. So in this video, we shall share some tips and tricks on how to travel with your dog safely and comfortably. Tip 1. Choose the right mode of transportation. The first thing to consider when traveling with your dog is the mode of transportation. If you are driving, make sure your dog is safely secured in a crate or with a seat belt harness. If you are flying, check with the airline about their pet policies and regulations. You shall also need to ensure that your dog's crate meets the airline's requirements for size and ventilation. Tip 2. Pack for your dog. Just like you, your dog will need some essentials when traveling. Make sure to pack enough food, treats, and toys to keep your dog comfortable and entertained. You may also want to bring a water bowl, a leash, and pop bags for bathroom breaks. Tip 3. Check with your vet. Before you travel with your dog, it's important to check with your vet to ensure that your dog is healthy and up to date on all vaccinations. You may also want to ask your vet about any medication your dog may need while traveling, such as anti-anxiety medication. Tip 4. Plan your accommodations. If you are staying in a hotel or vacation rental, make sure to check their pet policies and fees. You shall also want to make sure that the room is dog friendly and have enough space for your dog to move around. If you are camping or staying in an RV, make sure to bring a comfortable bed for your dog to sleep on. Tip 5. Take breaks. Whether you are driving or flying, it's important to take breaks to give your dog as a chance to stretch their legs, drink water, and go to the bathroom. Plan your stops ahead of time and make sure to give your dog plenty of time to rest and relax. And that's it. Those are our tips and tricks for traveling with your dog. Remember to plan ahead, pack accordingly, and always keep your dog's safety and comfort in mind. With a little preparation and some extra love and attention, you and your furry friend can have an amazing travel experience together.